Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, what's inside this beautiful jute bag? Okay, so today I have with me two products from the brand Amrutam. One is for your skin and one is for your hair. And in case you just want to see the demo of these two products, you can click on this timestamp or you can watch this entire video. Choice is yours. Okay, so let's talk about these two products and also about this brand a little bit. Amritam is an Indian brand and this entire setup is from Gwalior, and they have products which are Ayurvedic, and obviously they have not been tested on animals, and they have products related to skincare, hair care and healthcare. They have Ayurvedic jams. Yeah, you have to check the link in the description box. There are the product details and also there will be the details regarding this brand, so you can see what all this brand has to offer. And also the products of this brand have been specially curated to take care of your doshas, the Ayurvedic doshas which we all have inside our body, that vata, pitta, kapha. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or not, but these are the three doshas we have in our body. When we have excess heat or anything like these Ayurvedic doshas, this brand basically takes care of that, and they specially make products to take care of your doshas. So you again saying check the link in the description box to see this brand properly. Now about these two products, so I'll show you inside this cute little jute bag. So these are the two products. This is a charcoal face mask and this is a hair spa. This is a Kuntal hair spa. So which one should I tell you first? Let's go with the face one. Okay. Okay, so this is the Amrutam charcoal face mask, and this says deep cleanses skin impurities and gives a youthful glow, and this retails for 1100 rupees. So upon opening, this is how it looks like. This has a nice grey kind of a color, and fragrance wise I think this smells more like multani mitti. I guess multani mitti, like a little strong fragrance of multani mitti. And this also has, I don't know, this also smells like neem. Like there is a lot of fragrance going on here. I mean, this is confusing my brain, but there is a lot of fragrance, and the fragrance is really good and very Ayurvedic. Once you apply this, your entire room will smell like some kind of an Ayurvedic spa, because this fragrance is very beautiful. And also I'll tell you, this has ingredients. This has aloe vera, charcoal, nariyal jata, manjishta, sudarshan pushp, lemongrass, white sandalwood, Tamara Bhasam, almond, multani mitti, khira juice, orange peel, and rose water. This has guava leaf juice as well, and this has rakt chandan, chironji. This has a lot of good ingredients. This has all natural ingredients, and this helps in unclogging your pores, like the pores you have over here. This helps in unclogging your pores, and this also helps in removing dead skin cells and impurities from your skin. And also if you have any kind of a burn mark on your face or skin, this helps in removing that, as this has guava and chironji that helps in removing tan from your face. And this is suitable for every skin type, and as I told you, this has charcoal actually helps in removing toxins from your skin, and it purifies your skin very deeply. Charcoal is very efficient in purifying your skin. So if I have to share my experience regarding this face mask, this has a slight cooling sensation. You can also term it as a slight burning sensation, but that is not a lot. A little kind of a tingling sensation. That is just for 2 to 3 minutes, and you have to apply this and you have to keep it on your face for good 10 to 15 minutes. This will start drying, and once it starts drying, the color changes, and it dries quite fast, and depends on the weather also. Like if it's hot and dry, it will dry quite quickly. So, and removal is also very easy. You have to rub the pack in circular motion to remove it, though I just removed this with plain water, but you can also rub it in the form of an exfoliation. You can remove it, and also you have to apply it on your neck, and you can use this pack twice or thrice a week for best results. Also, this is a glass bottle, so please take care of it. Do not keep it at the edge of your bathroom or your any dressing table, because this will break, and breaking something worth 1100 is a crime. Please do not do that. So please take care of this thing. Okay, so let's get on with the next product, which is one of their best sellers. So this comes in this beautiful colorful cardboard box. This looks very cute, and this is the Amrutam Kuntal Care Hair Spa. So this retails for 649 rupees, and this is basically a hair spa, or you can say this is like a hair mask or a hair cream. So what this claims is that if you have frizzy hair, this will take care of your frizz. If your hair is falling, this will take care of your hair fall, and also this will help in growing new hair, and this will also make your hair black, because the ingredients this has are, this has bringraj, amla, neem, brahmi, gudhal, bal chad, I don't know what's that, nagar motha, nimbu chilka, sitafal, long oil, olive oil, and you can actually smell each and everything in this. This this has a beautiful aroma. This has a beautiful aroma. Like, I loved this fragrance a lot, and this also keeps your hair healthy, and it gives a nice black shine to your hair. Okay, so you have to use it on dry hair. You have to apply it on dry hair. You have to apply it and keep it for 30 to 45 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. I kept it for 1 hour, and then you have to wash it off with a mild shampoo. Do not use a chemical based shampoo after applying this, because that will not serve the purpose then. Use a mild Ayurvedic shampoo if you have. And also, if possible, if you want, you can keep it overnight and you can wash it the next day with a mild shampoo for best optimal results. The fragrance, while you're applying it on your hair, the fragrance feels a little overpowering, because this is a very authentic Ayurvedic fragrance. So it feels a little, it can feel a little overpowering, but I didn't feel that, but for some people it can feel. And trust me, the entire room smells so good after these two treatments. The room smells so good, as if someone has been given an Ayurvedic treatment right now in this room. The smell is that good. So smell ke liye to full marks. So my personal experience with this hair spa was very good. As you can see, as you'll see in the demo, my after washing my hair looked extremely beautiful, and my hair was looking soft. Right now also my hair is looking very nice and manageable, and it's not looking frizzy at all. So this effect of this stays. So I can actually suggest you this if you have dry frizzy hair, and especially in my case, I didn't even get the opportunity to chop my hair last year because of lockdown and coronavirus, and this year also I couldn't get my hair trimmed at all. So my hair has grown a lot, and I'm not a huge fan of long hair. I don't like long hair. So long hair gets very frizzy at the ends, so you need something like this to take care of the frizz. And so this is one of the best things, because my hair was feeling very less frizzy, and it was feeling so soft. My hair is wavy, my hair is not soft, but after applying this my hair was feeling so soft and manageable. I loved it. I loved the experience. And you can apply this mask, I think twice or thrice a week. I think that's more than enough. You don't have to apply this daily. This is not a daily use product. And also this says that your scalp may get a little tingly, or you can get a little itchy while applying this, but that didn't happen in my case. I didn't feel anything, tingly or itchy. I didn't feel anything like that. My scalp was normal. So I don't know, it depends from person to person, I guess. Okay, now watch the demo of these two products. Okay, so first I'll apply the hair spa on my hair, of course, and this is the product. The camera got a little blurred at this point. As you can see, as I already told you in the video, like, I haven't chopped my hair since a long time, and the ends get very frizzy, if you can see. Okay, so you have to part your hair in sections and you have to apply this. This is the texture, thick black, kind of a gooey texture. Yeah, so you have to apply it onto the sections of your hair like this, and you have to apply it till the ends, from roots to ends. Yeah. It will be very easy if someone else applies this on your hair, because it gets a little difficult to apply it yourself, because you may not reach the entire scalp. Like, if someone else applies this on your hair, it will be good. So I'm trying to cover my entire head, entire scalp. I'm trying to do that. The fragrance is amazing. The fragrance is very natural and very good. Applying it on the ends as well. Okay, so I have to leave it for I think 35 to 40 minutes. So in the meanwhile, I'll just apply the face mask. Yeah, this one. This also smells so good. It's like an Ayurvedic spa day. This again, the texture is like clay. If you have applied a clay face mask, the texture is like that. And it spreads very easily on face, you can see. I have applied it on my neck as well. So I'll wait for like 10 minutes, I guess. 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. Until it dries. Okay, so this has dried. Actually, the pack it never dries completely on my upper lips and lower lips because I am a little sweaty, and it doesn't dry. Look, it is looking so weird. Okay, so after washing my face, you can see my face is visibly looking so bright and clean. You can see this result, like, right? What light, right? Yeah, it's looking so fresh. And now I'll wash my hair after like 1 hour or so. I'll wash my hair. So you see now this is evening and I washed my hair and you can see the texture of my hair is looking so good. It's looking soft. It's feeling soft. You can see. Isn't this beautiful? That was it. I would ask you to incorporate these two products in your pamper routine because these are really very good and I loved it. I absolutely loved my experience with these two products, and I'll check out the other products of this brand as well, and I'll see what else I can purchase because I loved a lot. This brand is extremely amazing, so you must give it a try. And check the description box for the product details and also for the direct link of these two products. And this is not a sponsored video. I won't be getting anything if you click on the link. So you can click on the link and buy if you want. I won't be getting anything out of it. Okay. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care and I love you all. Stay safe.